stay the same. This concrete tree light's got my head up in the clouds. Good thing that I got my roots back in steady ground. With the same old small church parking lot, crying by me side the night. By God, we never thought he'd give her his last name. Or the ring that I wore on the night that we once stayed 14 tonight. Those Friday football lights sure did feel like fame. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. Fight these freeways, and freedom. Thought I'd leave and find my way. When this big bad tide breaks me down, I go back to the place where the same old and welcome sign of population getting by. Crossing that county line brings back the good old days. The same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise. Watching that midnight sky that makes me want to stay. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe, tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in?
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO. Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe, and you can finally pull the... Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet, wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head, wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got, put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead, 'cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so say you chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
Oi pessoal, bom dia. Dia seguinte por aqui. Hoje foi dia de feira. Tô aqui higienizando. Já higienizei as outras verduras. Tô higienizando aqui. Já higienizei, na verdade, né, as folhas de couve. Aí já vou picar elas para guardar picadinhas. E já coloquei o alface ali de molho para já enxaguar e guardar, né? Para guardar higienizado. Aí já higienizei aqui as couves e vou picar elas bem fininhas para guardar já picadinha, que aí adianta, né? A semana. Aqui porque tem mais espaço, lá na pia dentro de casa o espaço é menor, então fica muito apertado, sabe? Aí eu tô optando por fazer as coisas aqui na mesa de fora. Pessoal, hoje é um domingo, tô finalizando o vídeo que eu iniciei ontem, né? E, pessoal, eu sou assim, dia de domingo, quando eu não saio, quando eu não vou sair, tudo, eu sempre tento dar uma organizada naquilo que eu não consegui organizar na semana, né? Que no caso foi minha geladeira. Como vocês podem ver, ficou organizadinha a geladeira, ó. Tá vendo? Eu gosto dela assim, gente, organizadinha. Aí eu piquei a couve, já guardei higienizada e picada. Já guardei o alface higienizado, tomate, essas coisas, né? E enfim, e o marido era pra trocar essa lâmpada hoje, gente. Eu vou colocar ali, ó. Ali no teto. Porque aquela ali tá muito esquisita, sabe? E enfim, gente, aí eu tô dobrando umas roupinhas, ó, aqui, pra não acumular. Que amanhã eu preciso lavar roupa. Hoje eu tô batendo só um tapete, né? Ontem eu lavei com vocês aí, como vocês viram. Eu mostrei? Não lembro se eu mostrei. Eu só mostrei organizando os produtos. Sei lá, gente. Eu tô perdida. Enfim, mas ontem eu lavei roupa, um pouquinho que tinha. Lavei. E... que no caso é essas, né? Que ontem não eu dobrei. E hoje eu tô só... Hoje eu tô só batendo no tapete da sala. Enfim, e é isso, gente. Eu espero de coração que vocês tenham gostado de mais um vídeo. Se gostaram, clica aí no gostei, se inscreve no canal e ativa o sininho pra receber notificações toda vez que eu postar vídeo novo por aqui. Super beijão e até o próximo vídeo. Que Deus abençoe.